Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated DJI Avata 3, an advanced FPV drone that promises to redefine the world of first-person view flying. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner looking to explore the skies, the Avata 3 brings a host of exciting new features, improved performance, and an upgraded design that makes it a game-changer in drone technology. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the DJI Avata 3, including its release date, specifications, pricing, and more. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech news and reviews. DJI Avata 3. A major step forward in FPV drone technology. The DJI Avata 3 represents a significant evolution in FPV drones, boasting an aerodynamic and compact design built for speed and stability. Compared to its predecessors, the Avata 3 is lighter yet more durable, featuring a reinforced frame and integrated propeller guards that ensure safe indoor and outdoor flights. This refined design minimizes air resistance, improving overall efficiency and making it easier to maneuver through tight spaces with precision. Portability is another key highlight of the Avata 3. Designed for on-the-go drone pilots, it is compact enough to fit in a backpack, making it an excellent choice for travelers, content creators, and professionals alike. Whether you're soaring through vast landscapes or capturing indoor footage, this drone is built to handle diverse environments while maintaining stability and control. Enhanced camera system for breathtaking visuals. At the heart of the Avata 3 lies a powerful 4K camera equipped with an advanced CMOS sensor that delivers crisp, detailed imagery with enhanced color accuracy. The wide-angle lens ensures an immersive viewing experience, making it ideal for capturing cinematic aerial shots. Whether filming in bright daylight or low-light conditions, the camera's improved dynamic range and HDR capabilities ensure superior video quality, reducing noise and enhancing clarity in every frame. Additionally, the Avata 3 supports slow-motion recording, allowing you to create stunning visual effects for dynamic storytelling. With electronic image stabilization and an improved gimbal system, your footage remains smooth even during high-speed maneuvers, ensuring professional-grade content with minimal effort. Unparalleled flight performance and extended battery life. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata 3 is its enhanced flight performance. With a newly optimized propulsion system, this drone offers greater acceleration, increased agility, and improved handling in various conditions. The responsive controls make sharp turns and rapid movement seamless, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action shots or navigating through complex flight paths. Battery life has also seen a notable upgrade, with the Avata 3 offering up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This extended runtime allows pilots to focus on capturing breathtaking footage without frequent interruptions for recharging. Combined with rapid charging technology, downtime is minimized, ensuring more time in the air and less waiting on the ground. Advanced obstacle avoidance and safety features. Safety is a top priority for DJI, and the Avata 3 integrates cutting-edge obstacle avoidance sensors to prevent collisions and enhance flight stability. Equipped with an all-directional sensing system, this drone can detect obstacles in real time, making tricky maneuvers safer and reducing the risk of crashes, even for novice pilots. The return-to-home function ensures that the Avata 3 automatically returns to its launch point in case of signal loss or low battery, providing peace of mind for every flight. Additionally, geofencing technology prevents the drone from entering restricted areas, ensuring compliance with aviation regulations. Next-level control system and immersive FPV experience. The DJI Avata 3 is designed to cater to both casual users and professional drone pilots, offering multiple control options for a customized flying experience. The newly upgraded DJI Motion Controller provides intuitive motion-based flight controls, allowing for natural and precise movements. For those who prefer traditional inputs, the improved DJI Remote Controller offers customizable buttons and a comfortable grip for extended flights. Pairing the Avata 3 with the latest DJI Goggles 3 takes immersion to the next level, providing a real-time first-person perspective with ultra-low latency. This seamless integration enhances depth perception and responsiveness, delivering an unmatched FPV experience that makes you feel like you're soaring through the skies. Additional features for a versatile drone experience. Beyond its core specifications, the Avata 3 introduces several additional features that elevate its versatility. The drone supports direct footage sharing through the DJI Fly app, allowing users to quickly upload their best shots to social media. Modular accessories such as ND filters, charging hubs, and replacement parts further enhance its adaptability, ensuring that users can customize their setup to suit their needs. Regular firmware updates from DJI keep the Avata 3 at peak performance, introducing new functionalities and improvements over time. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of FPV or a seasoned pilot pushing creative boundaries, this drone is designed to evolve with you. DJI Avata 3. Price and availability. As for pricing and availability, DJI has positioned the Avata 3 competitively within the FPV drone market. While exact figures may vary based on region and bundle options, the base package is expected to offer excellent value, combining high-end features with an accessible price point. Pre-orders and official release details are expected soon, so stay tuned for the latest updates. Final thoughts. Why the DJI Avata 3 stands out. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 3 is a groundbreaking FPV drone that brings together cutting-edge technology, superior camera capabilities, and enhanced flight performance. Whether you're a professional filmmaker looking for cinematic aerial shots or an FPV enthusiast seeking the thrill of high-speed flying, this drone delivers on all fronts. Its intuitive controls, robust safety features, and immersive FPV experience set a new standard in the industry. That's all for today's deep dive into the DJI Avata 3. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and drone innovations, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best content on upcoming gadgets, reviews, and in-depth analyses. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and I'll see you in the next video.